So it's unclear exactly when it happened, but the wellness industry decided to turn on iceberg lettuce, talking about it as if it's totally nutritionally obsolete compared to other lettuce varieties and leafy greens. But how true is that actually? Can iceberg lettuce be healthy? I'm a registered dietitian, and I'm going to break down how healthy iceberg lettuce actually is. What is iceberg lettuce? Iceberg lettuce, also aptly called crisp head lettuce, is a type of lettuce that grows in a cabbage-like bulb with pale green leaves. It prefers a cold climate and actually takes a long winter to grow properly, so it's a great gardening option for people who live in northern climates. And nutrition aside, its crunch and crispiness are undeniable and irreplaceable in certain dishes, like a BLT. What is iceberg lettuce nutrition? While it's true that there are other more nutrient-dense varieties of lettuce and leafy greens, iceberg lettuce isn't totally void of nutrients. 1 cup contains just 8 calories, 1 gram of fiber, 3% of your potassium needs, which helps support muscle function and heart health, and about 40% of your daily vitamin A needs, which helps support immune function and healthy vision. Plus, thanks to the fiber it contains, adding a side salad of iceberg lettuce to your meal can help you feel more full without adding many more calories, which may help with weight loss if that's your goal. Is iceberg lettuce healthy? To put it in perspective, only 1 in 10 Americans meet the suggested intake of fruits and vegetables each day. Not only can this make it hard to meet your fiber, vitamin, and nutrient needs, but it can also increase your risk of chronic illnesses like heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. So if eating iceberg lettuce helps you up your intake of fruits and vegetables, then yes, it is absolutely healthy. Are there other more nutrient-dense types of fruits and vegetables? Yes, but variety is the name of the game when trying to meet your needs. So include iceberg lettuce along with a variety of other types of produce. I hope I answered your questions about this popular green. Thanks for watching.